So let's say a good evening, happy good evening to everyone. So, okay, no worries. You just watch and see how we are making, and then you can make on your own. All right. So first, what we'll start is with our peanut butter balls. All right. Okay. And who is the star ingredient today? You know who is the star ingredient? It's our peanut butter. Our peanut butter is the star ingredient today. So first, let's take a clean bowl. Let's take a clean bowl. So I'm going to put these oats in my bowl. Okay, these are around 4 big spoons of oat. I'm adding almost 2 spoons of peanut butter. So now I have this dry coconut powder with me. We can add chocolate chips to it. All right, I'm adding few chocolate chips to it. Now I have few raisins with me. Okay, I have honey. So I'm putting 1 spoon of honey in it. All right. So now I'm going to keep it in the fridge and we'll move to the next thing. Till then, this will set and then we'll come back to it. So now we'll move on to the next thing. All right. So the first thing what we need is a mixie. We need a mixer jar. Half a cup of cold milk. Then we need little bit of yogurt or curd, around 3 spoons of curd. And a star ingredient, a peanut butter. You can use chocolate powder. You can use chocolate sauce, whatever is available. And we need frozen bananas, absolutely cold and frozen. So let's pour in the milk. Then pour in the curd. 1 big spoon of peanut butter. Okay, we are not putting any sugar because sugar is not good for health. We are putting honey. So 1 spoon of honey. All right. So now we will go and just mix this on the mixer jar. We are going to give it a mix, and I will get my peanut balls also. So you also get your peanut balls, right? Take a clean bowl and pour your chunky monkey smoothie into it. Now, what we are going to do is, I'm taking 1 banana and just taking half of it. Okay, I'm just using half a banana and slice it. Okay, you can take mama's help if you want to in slicing, if you can't do it on your own. All right. And I'm just going to put it on the smoothie. So now I'm adding little chocolate chips. Okay. Is it looking nice? Okay. So see, now these little, I just took little of it. Okay. And I'm making into a ball. It's going to be a little crumbly because of the oats. But if you are doing it with cornflakes, I don't think so it is going to come together because cornflakes are very crumbly. See. Okay, so we have our 2 things here. One is peanut butter balls and the second one is chunky monkey smoothie. And both are very healthy. Okay, all right. So did you enjoy, all of you? Did you enjoy making them, learning them? Yes. Will you make them? Great. And do you think they're going to be tasty? Thank you so much. Thank you, kids. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye bye.